Today we are going back in time and recreating a recipe from Living with the Land, located in Disney's World's Epcot. This tomato bisque is a wonderful soup for a cold winter's day, or combine it with a grilled cheese sandwich and it make a hearty and fulfilling meal. In a large stock pot or soup pot with a heavy bottom is ideal. The heavy bottom will help distribute heat evenly and prevent scorching. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pot. Let it melt completely over medium heat. Watch carefully, as you don't want the butter to brown or burn. Once the butter has melted, we will add 1 large diced onion to the pot and cook onion. Stir it occasionally to prevent it from sticking or burning. As the onion cooks, it will release its natural sugars and become sweeter, adding depth of flavor to the soup. Pour the 3 cans of diced tomatoes into the pot with the sautéed onions. Stir the tomatoes and onions together. Bring the mixture to a simmer. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of garlic powder into the pot. Adding garlic powder or fresh garlic at this stage infuses the entire soup with its flavor as it simmers. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. The sugar will help to balance the acidity of the tomatoes and enhance the overall flavor of the bisque. And 1 tablespoon of fresh basil. Continue to simmer the soup. The basil will release its oils and aromas, adding a fresh, fragrant layer to the bisque. Let's incorporate the 1/4 cup chicken broth into your tomato bisque. 8 cups of water. Bring the soup back to a simmer, then reduce the heat and continue to simmer. Simmering allows the flavors to meld together, creating a richer, more cohesive taste. Be extremely cautious with the next recipe step to avoid burns. Carefully insert the immersion blender in the pot, starting at a low speed and gradually increasing as needed. Blend until you reach your desired consistency before adding any salt. Taste the soup carefully. This will give you a baseline for how much salt is needed. Add about 1/4 teaspoon at a time. Taste the soup after you've salted it to taste. This will give you a good sense of how the pepper will complement the existing flavors. Stir in a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream into the soup. Be sure to mix it in thoroughly so that it's evenly distributed. Once the cream is fully incorporated and the soup is heated through, give the soup a final taste and adjust any seasonings as needed. The cream will mellow the flavors and add richness, so you might want to add a touch more salt or pepper to balance it out. Now we have a bowl of warm, mouth-watering tomato bisque. On the next cold day, try this recipe. Leave your comments below, and please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for many more Disney-inspired or recreated recipes. Until next time, happy eating.